Indian Medical Association Manipur State Branch की State Working Committee SWC na SINDUNA National Doctors Day gi Thouram IMA House Lamphelpat Pangthokkhre Thouram aduda Dr. Hoping Basum, Dr. Thokchom Ranjit Singh, Dr. Khoisnam Bidur Singh, Dr. Ngangom Indra Kumar Singh, Dr. Sanjenbam Sangita Devi, Dr. Simpson Sario President IMA MSP, Dr. R.K. Lenin Singh, IMM Past President IMA MSP, Dr. Shyam Kumar Laishram, Director IMA CGP Faculty Manipur, Dr. Thouram Gautam Honi, State Secretary IMA MSP na chingba sarukya ki IMA MSP ki President Dr. Simpson Sario na Paumi Singh da unaba amada National Doctor Day asi Dr. Vidhan Chandra Roy gi birth amadi death anniversary ga mari leinana chahi khuding gi pangthoktuna lakli amadi mahaki maikei degi Dr. Ama oina kathoktuna miyam gi seba tawriba Dr. Singh bu thakat phongdoki.
In Manipur, we have faced unique hardship, but through it all, I have seen the best of our performances. Doctors risking their life and offering care in a remote area, bridging the gap between the all healthcare system. In closing, I extend my deepest respect and gratitude to all the doctors, past and present, who have upheld the sanctity of our profession.